Hi everyone. Subject, verb, agreement, a problem? No worries. I'm here to help you to understand it better. Watch the video till the end. Subject, verb, agreement. Let's learn about it. The verb and subject must agree to each other in a sentence. As Roma and her brother is walking, incorrect. Roma and her brother are walking is correct. Singular subject takes singular verb. Plural subject takes plural verb. Two or more singular subjects joined with and take a plural verb. Example, John and Abraham are classmates. Each, everyone, either, neither, and everyone are followed by singular verb. When two subjects are joined by either or neither, neither or nor, then the verb agrees with the second subject. To be continued. Thanks for watching. Just go through the examples very carefully and you will not make any mistake.